One question. If you had to make $1,000 in the next 30 days, what would you do? No job, no loans, no rich uncle helping you. You're sitting at home with just your phone and your brain. Most people would say, man, that's impossible. But here's something crazy. Back in the 1930s, during the Great Depression, when millions of people in America were broke, unemployed, and struggling just to eat, a man wrote a book called 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000. And in that book, he explained something that is still true today. Making money is not luck. It's a skill. And like every other skill, it can be learned. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 powerful ideas from that book that completely change the way you think about money, business, and opportunities. You'll understand how money is really made, where business ideas come from, and how regular people start with almost nothing. And the best part? You can start using these ideas today. So watch till the end, because technique number 6 is the most powerful one. Once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, every problem is a business opportunity. This is the most important principle of all. Where there's a problem, there's money. Simple, right? But most people see problems and complain about them. Smart people see problems and ask, who would pay to get this fixed? For example, there are thousands of older Americans who struggle with technology. They don't understand smartphones, Zoom calls, online banking, AI tools, or even basic apps. That's not just a problem. That's a business opportunity. Imagine charging $50 a week to help seniors learn FaceTime, online payments, social media, or AI tools like ChatGPT. 10 clients? That's $2,000 a month with almost zero startup cost. The wrong mindset is, these people should just learn it themselves. The right mindset is, their problem is real and I can solve it. And this is exactly how real businesses start. Take Phanindra Salma, for example. Back in 2005, he got frustrated because he couldn't book a bus ticket during a holiday rush in India. That frustration became an idea. In 2006, he launched Redbus and turned offline bus booking into an online system. A few years later, the company sold for hundreds of millions of dollars. The lesson? You do not need to invent something completely new. You just need to solve a real problem better than others. Number 2, sell first, build later. This idea sounds backwards, but it's one of the smartest business lessons ever. Most people spend months creating a product first. Then they launch it and realize nobody actually wants it. Time wasted, money wasted, energy wasted. Miniker said, ask first, build second. Let's say you're good at cooking and want to start a meal prep business. Don't spend thousands setting up a kitchen first. Instead, message people. Hey, if I delivered healthy homemade lunches for $12 a day, would you buy them? If 5 people say yes, congratulations. You already have a business. Now build the system. Wrong approach. Build first and hope people buy. Smart approach. Find customers first, then deliver. And here's the crazy part. Modern startups still use this exact strategy today, and this book explained it almost 100 years ago. Number 3, sell expertise, not time. This one changes everything. When you work a normal job, what are you really selling? Your time. And time is limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. That means your income has a ceiling. But when you sell expertise, skills, knowledge, ideas, you're no longer trapped by time alone. For example, an accountant working a regular job might make $5,000 a month. But if that same accountant helps 5 small businesses part-time and charges each one $1,000 a month, they make the same income with way more flexibility. Now maybe you're thinking, but I don't have expertise. Hold on. Can you edit videos? Use Canva, write captions, create AI images, manage social media, use Excel, write resumes, make thumbnails? That is expertise. What feels normal to you is valuable to someone else. One of the best lines from the book is this: what you know may be extremely valuable to someone who doesn't know it. You just have to package it properly. Number 4, The magic of repeat customers. This is the most underrated business lesson ever. Most people focus only on finding new customers. Big mistake. Miniker explained that keeping existing customers is far easier than constantly chasing new ones, because someone who already bought from you is the easiest person to sell to again. Let's say you clean someone's house. Most people finish the job, collect payment, and disappear. Smart business owners follow up later. Hey, after winter, a lot of homes need deep cleaning again. Want me to stop by next week? That's repeat business. Think about your barber. If they have 100 loyal customers coming back every month, they don't need to stress every day looking for strangers. Their income becomes stable. Wrong strategy, constantly chase new people. Smart strategy, treat existing customers so well that they come back and bring friends with them. This is why customer retention is the backbone of every successful business. Number 5, start small, think big. A lot of people fail before they even begin. Why? Because they think too big at the start. They imagine offices, employees, investors, fancy equipment, and they get overwhelmed. Miniker's formula was simple. Start small, think big. For example, a woman who loves baking starts by selling cookies to friends. Then she creates an Instagram page, then local orders, then catering, then corporate clients. Years later, it becomes a 6-figure business, but it started with one small order. Look at McDonald's. It began as a tiny roadside burger stand. Now it exists in over 100 countries. Big businesses often start as small experiments. So if people laugh at your small little side hustle, let them laugh. They don't see the vision yet. Number 6, create value and money will follow. This is the most powerful lesson in the entire book. People who chase money directly often struggle, but people who focus on creating value usually attract money naturally, because people happily pay for things that make life easier, faster, better, or more comfortable. Your goal is not to figure out how to take money from people. Your goal is to improve people's lives so much that paying you feels obvious. For example, there are 2 video editors. The first one simply edits videos and sends them back. The second editor says, your thumbnail should look like this. This short-form clip would perform better at 30 seconds. You should add captions here for retention. Who earns more? Obviously the second one, because they're not just providing a service, they're providing value. Same thing happens everywhere. 2 salespeople sell the same product. One just takes payment. The other explains how to use the product better and helps the customer get better results. Guess who gets repeat customers? That's value. And this applies to jobs too. Employees who only do assigned tasks stay average. Employees who solve problems, bring ideas, and help the team grow get promoted. That was Miniker's core message. There are thousands of ways to make money, but they all come down to one thing: solve problems, create value, stay consistent. So let's quickly summarize everything. Number 1, see business opportunities inside problems. Number 2, sell first, build later. Number 3, sell expertise, not just time. Number 4, focus on repeat customers. Number 5, start small but think big. And number 6, create value first. Money follows naturally. And here's the final thing I want you to remember. This book was written during one of the worst economic crises in history. People believed there were no opportunities left, but the author still said, there are 1,000 ways to make $1,000. So if you're struggling right now, if you feel stuck, if money is tight, if life feels uncertain, remember this: the biggest shortage in the world is not money, it's action. You already have ideas now. Pick one, start today. Do not wait for the perfect moment, because that moment never comes. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And subscribe, because every week we break down powerful books and turn them into practical ideas you can actually use in real life. You guys are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.